In the last video, we shared a stream instantly with a quick tunnel, a random try Cloudflare link. This time, let's make it permanent and branded. Your stream on your own domain, like stream.yourcompany.com. That's a named tunnel. It needs a little time to set up, so let's walk through it. A named tunnel lives on a domain that Cloudflare manages. You got two options. One, register a new domain right inside Cloudflare. Go to your domain registration, search a name, and buy it. It's automatically set up and ready to go. Second option is, if you already own a domain somewhere else, add it to Cloudflare and point its name servers to the Cloudflare. After it goes active, you are all set to go. Either way, the goal is the same. Your domain show up here in the Cloudflare dashboard. If it's active, you can go ahead. I will use beyondtheviewport.shop. Next, StreamPilot needs permission to create the tunnel and the DNS record for you. You can give it with an API token and only the permission it needs. So you can go inside any domain, and in that page below, you will find an API box. You will get a button to get your API token. You can press it, or you can go into the quick search and search for API. Choose API tokens, and there your page is. Now click Create Token. Choose Create Custom Token. Give it a name like StreamPilot/test. Now add 3 permissions. Choose account, add Cloudflare tunnel, and give a permission of edit. Now add 2 more. Choose zone and search for zone. Choose that and give a permission of read. Now the last one, choose zone and search for DNS. Pick that and give a permission of edit. Under account resources, include your account. Under zone resources, include all zones or just the one domain you will use. Continue to summary, create the token and copy it. Keep it private and treat it like a password. StreamPilot stores it locally, so you don't have to paste it every time. Back in StreamPilot, make sure your stream is running. Then open public access and switch to named tunnel tab. Paste your Cloudflare API token. Now press load zones. You can see that your all zones and domains appeared here. You can choose from there. Then choose a subdomain. This is a friend of view URL. I will type interior, which becomes interior.beyondtheviewport.shop. Now you can press start named tunnel, and you can see that the tunnel is generated. Now press share button and copy the rich preview share page URL. That's the URL with your title, description and thumbnail. I'm pasting it in WhatsApp chat, and you can see that suddenly the title, description and thumbnail has been popped up. Now open the URL. You can see that your stream loads on your own domain secured with HTTPS. If you check your Cloudflare account, you can see that StreamPilot created a proxy CNAME record for your subdomain automatically. You don't have to touch it. Unlike the quick tunnel, this link doesn't change. Restart your PC or restart the stream, same URL every time. Perfect for client portfolio, product pages or permanent demo link. So that's the difference. Quick tunnel for instant throwaway shares and named tunnel for a permanent branded link on your own domain.